If you sold a home before, you might remember how confusing the process felt. And let's be honest, most real estate agents spend more time talking about themselves than guiding you through what's ahead. Well, that's not how I do things. Instead, I want you to feel confident, informed, and in control every step of the way. That's why I'm walking you through a complete timeline of events you can expect when working with me. No fluff, no hype, just a clear, client-focused plan designed to make this process simple and stress-free. Step 1, initial consultation. We'll start with a simple consultation. This is where I take the time to get to know you, your goals, and your home. Whether this is your first sale or your fifth, we'll establish a strategy tailor-made for your situation. Step 2, housing questionnaire. Next, I'll guide you through a streamlined housing questionnaire. It's quick and easy, but gives me the details I need to represent your home's value and potential accurately. Step 3, market research. I'll take a deep look at the neighborhood's market trends. Together, we'll land on a price point that's competitive while ensuring you maximize your equity. Step 4, customize home marketing proposal. Before listing, I'll share my strategies with you from pricing to marketing. Transparency is key here, so you'll always know the why behind every decision. Step 5, home visit. I'll personally tour your home to assess what makes it stand out and what might need a little touch-up to attract buyers. Together, we'll make your home shine. Step 6, marketing and preparation. From professional photography to target online advertising, I'll ensure your home gets the attention it deserves. Stunning visuals and the right audience are the perfect match. Step 7, listings and showings. Once your home is live, I'll coordinate showings with potential buyers and agents. I'll keep you updated, and you'll always have input on how and when your home is shown. Step 8, weekly updates. Each week, I'll share updates with you on buyer feedback, market activity, and any offers. You'll never feel left in the dark. Step 9, seller document signing. When an offer comes in that you're happy with, I'll guide you through every details of the paperwork to make it simple and straightforward. Step 10, buyer's walkthrough. Before the closing, the buyers will complete a final walkthrough to ensure everything is in order. I'll make sure this step goes off without a hitch. And step 11, closing and your proceeds. Selling your home doesn't have to feel like a mystery. My goal is to make sure you're supported, confident, and celebrating every step. If you're ready to get started, I'm ready to be your listing agent. My name is Estes. I'm a local real estate agent with RE/MAX Commonwealth. I do have a very detailed step-by-step of what I just went over that I'm going to be sending to you. You're going to find it very beneficial as we start our process together. As always, it's a great day to buy and sell real estate. I look forward to talking to you, more importantly, getting your home sold. Thank you for your time.